So as you guys know, we are on a journey to earn $10,000 with a brand new Etsy shop selling digital art generated by Midjourney AI. When I opened the shop in April, we started off with a negative profit, but with a positive profit in June, we ended up with a total trailing profit of negative $15.49 so far. So now let's get into episode 6. I would say some dramatic things happened ever since the last episode, from getting consecutive sales to generating the biggest profit so far. As of the last episode, I had about 29 listings and currently I have about 67 listings. I try my best to stick to making one listing a day, and I'd say I was fairly consistent with that rule. And it takes me about 1 to 1.5 hours to create a listing, so it's honestly not a bad investment of my time considering I have 2 other challenges going on in this channel, including building a faceless YouTube channel and becoming a profitable day trader. But going back to my Etsy shop, the first week wasn't anything out of the ordinary. I just focused on producing new listings and got 80 visits. So at this point, I have around an average of 10 visits a day, but I only received 1 order and revenue of $7.47. Moving on to the second week, the grind never stopped, but the progress was stagnant. I got 60 visits in total with an incredible 0 orders for the entire week. This was when I really thought that maybe this challenge is a waste of time and I should stop, since I already proved my point that you can generate money with AI. I mean, that was the whole purpose of this series, but I just wanted to take this further and build a successful, profitable store to show everyone that putting in consistent work will prevail in the end. Well, fast forward to our third week, it just kept getting worse. We received 57 visits, but thankfully 1 order with a revenue of $2.49. Now at this point, you're probably thinking it's best to quit this and move on to another venture, right?
Give up! Just quit!
We literally put in nearly 4 months of time and effort to build something that's losing money for us. Believe me, I doubted myself and questioned this as well, because it really sucks when you're putting in your extra time into something that isn't yielding fast results. But that's how any business works. So to make your journey a little bit easier, set a realistic goal to not deter you from stopping. For me, that's reaching 100 listings, since I know that this is a turning point for a lot of Etsy stores out there. So far, in the third week of July, we made $9.96 in revenue and got 2 orders. Before I go over the last week of the July results, I would really appreciate if you could smash the like button for the YouTube algo and for this long challenge that I am putting up for you guys. On the last week of July, including 31st of Monday, we got 99 visits, which is similar to our first week with 80 visits. But wait, we somehow got 7 orders and generated a revenue of a whopping $39.84. Most of these orders came in towards the end of the week, and the 29th had 3 orders and 30th had 2 orders, which was insane at the time because it was so hard to even get a single order per week. But to not only get 1 but 2 to 3 orders a day was just mind-blowing to me. And as you know, it's already August at the time of this video. The results only got better going into August, but I'll update you guys on the next episode. With all those weeks combined and subtracting our fees, our net profit is $42.78, putting our lifetime profit at $27.29 for the store. Now, I know this is extremely far from the goal of $10,000, but I'm just happy that we literally 8x our revenue from last month. Currently, my strategy for the store has shifted to producing more upcoming holiday listings. I haven't really focused on producing holiday listings because I don't want my listing to depend on a specific day, but I want more of a consistent orders throughout the year. But let's see if shifting my focus on doing this will help in the next month. Hopefully it will, maybe not, who knows. One thing I want you guys to take away from this video is that consistency is the key. I haven't shifted or done anything different to my store except to keep pushing myself to produce 1 listing a day. If I had quit on the third week of July, I might not have seen the results that I've seen on my final week. So don't worry so much about the past results and focus on the now. Do what you need to do now to set yourself up for a better future. This goes for any type of business. If Etsy is not your thing, then perhaps you might want to check out my day trading challenge or building a faceless YouTube video. Thanks for watching. Peace.